This is my son Aji, 4 years old at super curious. Right now, nasa learning and discovery stage siya. Kaya as a mom, I make sure to support his growing mind with the right vitamins. Kaya thank you Memorize Coolers Go. Chewable chocolate flavor tablet na gawa sa real chocolate. Hindi struggle pa inumin ng bata, akala ni Aji candy lang. Pero ang totoo, full of herbs and vitamins that are safe, gentle, and effective for kids. Saan mabibili? Available na sa Mercury Drugstores nationwide. Bakit nga ba love ni Aji ang Memorize? Masarap, parang treat pero healthy. FDA approved na rin to so mommy is worry-free. Pampatalas ng memorya, pang-improve ng focus and concentration, at for good eyesights na rin. Nakasealed din per tablet ang vitamin. Full of herbs and vitamins like Bacopa monnieri, pampatalas ng memorya. Centella asiatica, better focus and mood and less anxiety. Siyang push pea and bilberry for brain and eye health. Marigold naman, pang-filter ng harmful blue light. May beta-carotene, lecithin, and DHA, pampalakas ng mata. Plus vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, and B6. Deserve to ng mga anak natin para mas active, matalino at protektado ang mga mata nila. Mag-Memorize Coolers Gold na. Kaya mommies, visit na rin sa pinakamalapit na Mercury Drugstores nationwide or click the yellow basket.